Meetei claim the king of the Manipur state hai na moina claim to ni adu ekoi yade ekoi gi king na te ba ekoi gi ningthau na te Meitei gi raja du ko adu na ekoi adu gi history da ekoi yaroi hai na ekoi position clear no Kuki sidi isine na Kuki sidi ekoi na lam na koi bu offer tawraga ekoi portion se ekoi hingmin na bani hai bado we didn't claim now Mizoram as our ancestral land, okay? Mizoram boy koi claim tawdri ne hoji ngam su ngang de ne adu we were the first settler there ekoi gi saru su lai gini scientist purak laga ekoi chi thok pangam ne adu we didn't claim that because as the process of migration adu da hinglam bani na ko claim tawde adu ekoi na pi kharaba area kangpuk pi gumba sidi ekoi gi naga gi lam ni ha clear oina no kai su khanglam gani ko adu bu ancestral land ni haina no koi na nung yung khat pududi ason bami apang bami oirasu adu dadi wakhan se hek chopa thorak pani adu na isin inau hingmin nagani hairidi chokram tawsira haina mo koi su lak pani na ekoi meeting tawe naga history se record no koi na su appreciate tawse black day du su thadok she ko aduga na koi na thanta political movement tawraga zelengam haibugumba Burma dagi thorakpagi ideology do India na maru khara hapi ba laye Indian wants Manipur manungda Gaza strip semga na India di semgi bani ko and Kangpuk Pi I have seen as far I study the Kangpuk Pi se Gaza oigda gi mong da thamni ko Palestine chuchampur tar ka gi mong da laye ko if you don't careful se mark to bio na koi di harau ram gani MHC na Assam Rifle na Indian ro koi na noi bu manung da support pi gini habi gi damakta you may be happy but be careful USA na asi war se amarom da thau hapni amarom da numai pi bani ko so as India is playing their politics ai koi notice asun ma mapang da ko aduna asidan na koi na su khra khan biyo Kuki mayam se koi history se recognize tau se aduga Kuki gi Black Day to thadok she the framework agreement se embrace tawro and this is for all nasai sar na habi
Black Day
hoy yeah adu budin noi convert tokre we appreciate that but the points we have present on that day aduga framework we embrace tawio this is for all not only for the nagas inclusive adu the position lay hai na du su pachana hai kram copy su pi kram ni ka aduga one thing very importantly lam mapudu bu acknowledge tawio nasai hai bado not all the lands you are settling now ka Kangpuk Pi na Chuchanpur bu Rongmai na mapune or Tangkhul na mapune hai na apris thokpio hai ba natine Chuchanpur di noi Chuchanpur na du da kesho ko laitine du where naga na document nei ra ukrul da Tamenglong da ko ikhiba adu da leibu di lam mapudu bu acknowledge tawo hai na du numit so ko nganga bani ko this is not so hard thing if you are a Christian a Christian already is the hard thing natine aluba natine yaramba yaba pot ni ko adubu you believe in government of India policies Burma di portion khara notice di portion khara tor ko Kuki gi zelengam sha habdi even heavens fall that will never happen ai koi angang sing da tamgani Meitei su Meitei gi angang sing da tamgani adu di thok pangam roi ko government India kai khara ne within 50 years adu gi policy how khara di government of India is very shaky adu na no koi su false hope develop tawgudu government of India gi promises musu haina ekoi atu da su nganga bani ko aduna ashi gi line du lak khradi nasai ha bu FNCC di kri no ne ekoi gi understanding line do ekoi gi chakni nagada be road map to clear taw khradi FNCC di kri shu na ne ko adu mo koi bu su bhap ta han ba yai ne adu bu you see audi Kangpuk Pi ga Chuchanpur marakta Tiger Road ga German road have who is Tiger who is German I should show in I should show in as a land owner of that areas ko I should lam mapu in represent tawri bani NSCN na ko Rongmai gi adu da ai gi lam du da ai gi yum masi da leye nang gi yum kaino da leye lamka da shelmat da leye adu rengkai da nang gi yum ama leye and you're going through this lamka town and if you try to name that road as your Lalming Road adu lamka gi jomi ko yagadra paite ko yagadro ko khara dis sharam gani noi khara sogam ba ya adu this is the fact ai ko gi lam mai da chalaga adu su nangi cement bag ama pau hap da ma pham su yauri bani ko adu tiger road hai ba sai adu German road hai ba sai asidi yamna provoke oi bani ko number 1 asidi I should compromise I ko isha mak su adu compromise already I have no longer mandate as a leaders of wrong way people in NSCN adu da aina yai hai khadi ko adu di yaroi totally yaroi have said please convey to those people also tiger road German road have said shup ya yaroi adu di FNC gi wangak tan nate sidi even our reason wrong reason ka adu na show adu di yaroi we have no hands so far now with the FNCC but we are giving you the message that will never allow that will never happen number 1 adu di negotiate over yaroi number 2 shu kem do karam na akoi gi lam manung da karam na shu kem tham ge hai ba you have a small village Zilerong gi khun macha le Dovinalada ZUF gi shu kem hange hojik ZUF su suspension le ne asida hange ha da Dimapur gi Nagaland gi missing ha gadra we should be very careful you have your rights to establish any kind of development in that particular villages ko naga gi lam periphery da laiba khun sing do no ko develop tabo tower su shemo ko even kri apa ba nang shemgira shemo adu nakoi gi terror group nakoi gi underground group who is masterminding hauji khatnari bu su moi na ne naga miyam shock khra bu su moi na ne adu koi du bukram na suspension of operation kem hai na thamgira adu su nakoi khanlo if you want you give in Kangpuki itself in Chusapur itself not in between asidi ekoi gi reason gi representative point is very clear and loud asidi lady ko but that doesn't mean I had to aduna takwa na koi bujeng thi begini habidi khambi ganu ko we are still brother in Christ we are still brother in ethnicity tribal ethnicity we are still brothers in geographical cohesiveness ka ai koi chikna ra ai koi thokpa yam important asidi please thank you so much kra harsh tawla lai su ai asidi achum kra lai ram gani halo na ko su khambi ko thank you